educate you about our seas. Did you know that our seas is suffering because of us?
So I'm here in front of you spreading awareness about this concern. By the way, I'm Aljan C. Gumboa.
Here are the 5 tips for proper garbage disposal to protect our oceans.
Number 1. Avoid throwing trash in waterways. Never dump garbage, sewage, or chemicals into rivers and seas since these flow directly into the ocean.
Number 2, reduce plastic use. Say no to single-use plastics like straws, bags, and bottles that often end up in the oceans and harm marine life.
Number 3. Participate in coastal clean-ups. Join our organized beach and river clean-up drives to remove waste before it reaches the sea.
Number 4, dispose waste responsibility. Always use proper trash bins, segregate waste, and support recycling programs so garbage doesn't reach waterways.
Number 5. Educate and advocate. Share awareness about ocean pollution and encourage others to practice eco-friendly habits. Bye-bye!
Here's a little reminder for us.
If no one will move,
Nothing will change.